don't mean to brag. Don't even mean to suggest that I have it all figured out. But sometimes I just feel sorry for everyone else. I got a good thing going here. Who needs it? All of it. TV, Facebook, clothes, working heat, laundry, all overrated. I've got everything that I need right here. The key to living alone is routine. Not a lot of people know that. Routine is good. It helps you focus, helps you enjoy the little things. Being poor isn't so bad either. One thing I've learned is that if you're poor enough, you find out you don't really need much. Don't really need food, water, whatever.
Are you inside or outside? Outside. Make a call then.
I'm not poor because I don't have a job. I do have a job. I'm self-employed. I used to illustrate children's books, snuggly bunnies, happy hippos, stuff like that. I feel my work's evolved to match how quickly kids progress. Nowadays, I feel it's unfair to assume kids are idiots. Let them grow up. Show them the world for how it is. No age is too young for political and social awareness. Not a huge fan of bugs. Too many legs. Can't tell what their mouths are. Don't trust them. Routine. Routine is key. Lots of people don't have it, don't care for it, don't realize how useful it is. I'm not saying I have it all figured out, just doing better than most, I bet. Whatever your routine, it's always important to incorporate exercise. Exercise releases endorphins. Endorphins make you feel happy. Feeling happy is better than not feeling happy.
Just make up your fucking mind.
It's nice having a cat. Having a cat's like having a plant that knocks things off the counter. Cats are good listeners. Not a lot of people know that. They don't really seem like they're paying attention, but the moment you stop talking, they give you this look like, oh yeah? And then what happened? It's not my cat, by the way. When I moved in, the cat was just here, so I figured I'd keep it alive for a bit. I never knew its name. Didn't have a name on the collar, or whatever, so I named it.
Adderall!
It seemed like a good idea at the time.
What the fuck is that? No, what the fuck? No, what the fuck is that? What is that?
It's like that's the thing about bugs. Where are their mouths? How do they eat? What do they eat? Is it other bugs? Is it dirt? I don't know. Endorphins are great. Big fan. Routine, endorphins, cat, all great. Love them. I'm not saying that I have it all figured out, but I'm fine. Routine. Routine is key. No one gives it enough credit. Best part about having a routine is being able to break from it. Keeps things sharp, fresh. Staying fresh is also key. Not a lot of people know that. Routine. Routine's good. I like it. All about it, really. Best part about a routine is when you break it. It keeps things fresh. Keeps those endorphins pumping. Routine means order. Order means control. I like control. Big on it, really. Controlling endorphins is nice. Real big on that, for sure. The best part about routine is breaking it. It keeps you guessing. Keeps you wondering what's in store. Maybe today's your day. Maybe you wake up and find yourself in a place you never imagined.